Hey, good afternoon to you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I am making my new recipe for basically a DIY dishwashing powder and a rinse. So for this powder rinse combo, I'm going with something a little more natural than what I have been using. Now in the past, right now I've been using this Finish Powerball Supercharged Max in 1 Advanced 2 times cleaning, and I got this large 105 one from Sam's Club. This has probably the strongest fragrance ever, and it fills my entire kitchen with this very artificial, strong, kind of fake clean smell, and it leaves residue. It leaves residue all over my dishes. I have checked my washing machine and made sure that all the sprayers are working. I've cleaned out my washing machine, so I know that the residue isn't due to a faulty dishwasher. It's due to this soap sucking. And this is a pretty expensive brand. It has a ton of really nasty ingredients, just very harsh, and it has a very poor rating on the Environmental Working Group website, which I have been using to kind of check the safety of the products that I'm using, especially because this is a food, a food contact surface product. This is going to touch what I drink and eat out of. So I'm going to show you a quick recipe that I'm going to try here to replace this. So what I'm going to be doing is combining 3 ingredients and then a little bit of some scent. So what I'm going to be combining is Coarse Sea Salt. So I'm using my sea salt from Mountain Rose Herbs. This is just a regular coarse sea salt. And I'm going with 2/3 cup of coarse sea salt. So 2/3 of a cup. And then the other ingredient I'm using is 2/3 of a cup of citric acid. This citric acid is just one I had on hand because I can. And when you do canned goods, you sometimes add citric acid depending on the acid content of the fruit you're using. So you can pick this up really at Walmart, any grocery store that has a canning section. So 2/3 cup salt and 2/3 cup citric acid. I'm going to combine that. And then you are going with 2 full cups of baking soda. This is just pure Arm & Hammer brand baking soda. So 2 cups baking soda. Okay, so those are your 3 main ingredients. Just citric acid, coarse salt, and baking soda. You're going to combine these well because you want the product to be evenly distributed, all 3 ingredients together. And ignore that beeping in the background. I actually stopped my dishwasher running midway so I can film this without you guys hearing it chug along. So you're really going to thoroughly mix this up. And then basically for a little added scent, I'm going with 10 drops of Grapefruit Essential Oil. I am going with 10 drops of Lemon Essential Oil. And I am adding 10 drops of Sweet Orange Essential Oil. I think this will be a lot more pleasant of a fragrance than what I had going on with the last one. So you're going to thoroughly combine all that together. And when you add the essential oils, they'll kind of pearl up as they combine. So you really just have to work it and stir this quite a bit. Now, this is my first time making this blend. I've read about it online and it comes highly recommended. So I'm going to give it a try and I'll let you guys know how this alternative goes. Compared to all the ingredients in the Finish brand, compared to the just 3 main ingredients in this, I'm hoping this can do the same job, better job. because I don't want any more residue. I don't want any more nasty smell. I don't want any more little crystals left inside my dishes when I pull them out. Hopefully this will be more appropriate. And I'm not going to buy any special container. I'm simply going to fill my empty finished container. And I'm going to place on top of the powder a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. And you're going to use 1 tablespoon of powder in each load. So just 1 tablespoon is all you need. And then for my rinse compartment, I'm going to fill my rinse compartment with white vinegar. Just plain white vinegar in the rinse compartment. So that's going to help as well to cut down on any residue. So just 1 tablespoon of this mixture with 1 tablespoon in the rinse compartment of white vinegar. Both super affordable. I'll put the breakdown over here as I usually do with these products, telling you how much per load this cost and how much per load my previous one cost. And that will include the vinegar rinse. So you get an idea of the total cost per load. So let me know in the description box down below. Have you guys made your own dishwashing detergent? Have you guys found a natural detergent that you buy that you enjoy? What do you guys use to wash your dishes? Let me know down below, and thanks for tuning in for another video, guys. You have a great day.